Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show how to create a thumbnail for YouTube video. You can upload it Facebook also, like this type of thumbnail in just 2 or 3 minutes. So today we will use Canva for this. So I am just writing Canva. Okay, now this is the first link which I will use for login. Like you can say whatever mail ID you have, just you can log in through with your Google account only. It will log in, and then you have to just select here personal. It is asking why you want to use it. So let us start. I am creating one project. I am creating a design. I will write YouTube thumbnail. See, he has already given me the size. So these are the templates that you can use for your thumbnail, and these are the elements like you want to search for YouTube logo, subscribe icon, like, whatever you want to use. uh, I am skipping the two for now, and you can upload your file also. So let's begin. Let's try to create a design like the let's start with create your own YouTube channel. So let's select a good thumbnail. We will use the free ones, not the pro ones, because we have to pay for that, but the free ones are, there will no exception if we use the free ones. Let me search. You can see there are various type of templates. Today I will use this template. Just you can select this and write your text whatever you want to write. Easy way to create channel. See, within few minutes I have almost completed the thumbnail. If you want to align it, you can align it. I don't think there is another or easy way where you can create the thumbnail. See, my thumbnail is almost ready. I have used a free template. Let me show you something else also. If you want to change the image, you want to give your own image, so you have to just drag and drop your image here. The file will be shown in uploads. So I will just drag this image and replace this one. See, our thumbnail is almost ready. If you want to, let me modify this image. See, we can make this image in this format also. I will I will upscaling the image. See, currently you are seeing the image. Let me upscale. I will click on replace. Give few moments. It will replace. See, the image is clearer now. If you want to add some element, let me add YouTube logo. These are, see, this is free. You can take this, drag and drop. If you want to add Facebook also, Facebook logo. These are pro. This mark is for pro. I will just drag and drop and resize it and place it here. So our thumbnail is complete. Now if we try to download, just click on share button here and click download. See, downloading has started and it's completed. Let me check here. Easy. See, our thumbnail is complete. So thank you for watching your video. If you like the video, please like and share and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.